I went down to the crossroads, $2.80. And I was killed, yeah, I was itching to jump. Gave it all to a fine young lady. Ink on her eyelids and a world-class rum. Don't ask me where I've been. Don't ask me how I know. There ain't no message in the bottle and a $20 high. Just about the same wherever you go. If you go downtown, you better watch your back, 'cause they can take you down quicker than a heart attack. Pretty girls in the alley